whatever Barney says.
Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never ends. Here's what we did today. Sometimes rainy days make us sad because we can't go outside to play. But there are lots of things you can do indoors to have fun. Have you ever pretended to camp out and tell stories? You can read books or do the limbo with friends. How low can you go? Tosha looked very pretty in the dress she made out of our parachute. It's fun to be a ringmaster in a pretend circus. Min was a dancer. You could be the lion tamer. Counting these sheep helped Jason fall asleep. Then they went right back into their storybook. Drawing pictures is fun on any kind of day. You can draw a mouse like this one. Maybe when the rain slows down, you can go back outside under a big umbrella with friends you love. And remember, I love you too.
Coming in 1999, an all-new video adventure. Ronald and his friends set sail in search of a hidden treasure on a mystical island. The secret home of all Grimaces. Don't miss The Legend of Grimace Island, available only at McDonald's.